place when you want a good time. Just for fun and the place when you open your mind. Just for fun and we don't want to see it done. Just for fun, laugh till the drop done. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Yo, Messi, see the way I left out, you know. I'm gonna definitely make you look a breakfast. Sure. Yo, we can blaze the old fire in 3 minutes, you know. And a 2 bird may I run. Egg a fire for one and tea a boil for the next. What happen? You can't give me 10 minutes.
Carrat, I can't. I'm going to be late. I forgot the time the supervisor. Anyway, so my rider come here. We'll call you later, alright?
Make sure, you know. Alright, later. Yo, driver. Drive easy with her, you know. See it?
Yo, she not good dance, my brethren.
Carrat are the man for the girls, them ears and them eyes. And no, surprise. They love my pretty face and them crazy about my style. And no, surprise. Yo, what it?
Return on this bump. Where the people are thief up the things there? They got the animal and them up the bump and the things there.
Rotted from 0 to 100. In no time flat. Why the man them must stop stress out Mr. Gilbert little grung. You know.
This is what we want for you. We want for you to drop them on bump and up there. I have to know what to do. Drop them on bump and up there.
Yo, Mr. Gilbert, how are you going? How trouble you now?
We are not people. We are not a boat. We are not boat around. So I can drop the bump and things there.
Easy, Mr. Gilbert. Don't make them stress you out too much because you don't know say your heart weak already.
Then me I'm going to stress me no more now. Because I'm going to set a trap. I'm going to set a trap. And anybody animal like a tree there, I'm going to name it raw. And if one of them get catch on my trap, I'm going to your bum at all. We'll stand there. Since I do not have no consideration for me, I'm going to set a bum and trap for now. You know what one bum? That's it.
Well, you have to do it, Mr. Gilbert. Because first of all, them not no business in your ground. I know them plant nothing there. So I'm pick it for. You don't know, say, anytime you pick a 1 lime or 1 orange, me always tell you, right?
Me not talking about you. You's alright. And the dirty junk of them, I come in and come with them dirty animal and then dirty them, cut up my bum and go things them half up the place. And then me a chat.
Well, let's go and take it easy still, Mr. Gilbert, because you don't know them places are set already. I know they are too tough still most of the time, you know. And I go to them time that the thief and I go on, because them know if me there, I can't go on, because I don't know it go. You go and keep an eye on it for you with me there. Just go on easy, see?
But about yourself, I'm going to shake them up. You watch and see.
Yeah, see it here. The flash drive I may look for now. Hide the rhythm there, pan. Alright. Put it right there so someone don't forget it. Yo. Wagwan. Hopes everybody good. We're there next day on the Carrat vlogs. So me I deal with I try a thing again. So me I deal with I get the hang of this thing and work out the kinks. You don't know it go. Just a show how things go for me in a real life on an average day. So when you go and follow me on the journey, yeah? When you don't see the morning start already. You don't see them places I set. Beer vibes, bad vibes, good vibes. Just one big mix of ghetto vibes. You see me? Well, today I have a couple things lined up in about. I'm going to show you like some of the main things them way. One of the things them is I got it mixed today. The engineer Rat say my work out it mixed today and some Japanese in a place I look some special and them say them see the YouTube thing and them want too special from me. So you don't know. You have to go deliver. Yeah. You know, last time I got it mixed and I'm all like a new security up there, give me base stress. Like you know, I respect my star status. But book name on the book and all them because you that thing. But so I got to the still. Anyway, I'm gonna link Darius them before I go to studio. So me soon up on the corner, see? Yeah.
I got some chicken back and pop chow and soft yam.
I said, not even 2 flour.
No, cause when I face teeth them a shake, I'm afraid to take a pop it out.
Where's the face? You still lose teeth like you look a baby. Teeth, they are teeth.
Him not gonna say nothing to you, you know, cause him teeth are bad at him. So anytime we wake up, him not say nothing to me. You know, so him teeth are bad at him. So I say, see me cook and me cook today.
Wait, you and the man still a warm my youth. You know, since I splash him, I splash you. So you really believe so him cut your hose and make him wheel? Oh yeah, say. You really not talk?
So you think I joke me I make? He not say nothing, man.
Can't blame me, my youth. Trust me. I know them things they feel.
So Carrat, me here see you turn vlogger now.
Yeah, me I try thing, you know. Matter of fact, me want to do something around that today. But my battery run low. I try to save it for when time I reach up a hit mix. I do a little small vlogging up there. You know them way there. I have a little idiot security up that gate. Be a pressure for open the gate if your name is up on the book. I try to link up right if see if him put my name on the book, but I'm not answer him phone and I'm not respond to my text. I'm go down in a session, and if I go up there, and my name is up on the book. And I'm in a session, I see him thing, I'm not answer him phone.
Okay, so you go studio go cut tune.
Yeah, something like that. Right about now, I need to know if Ratty even up at the studio before I go up there, you know. But one bigger now. Yo, you know me, I notice. So every time Moota around a jobby, at them time the bigger show. Like say boy, I'm malaria him. Well, I like to know why my Moota really a talk about.
Cute to say come like say man and spell ever since Moota tell them say he got nothing damn fish. So ever since then, I just beer and food in my chat boat.
So, me and Tony Rebel and my good I drink youth and green. So, we there a Lalibela Ethiopia. And we there also want some food for it. And I drink say, you know a place that them can have some good raw food. And you know, says the raw food our thing. Yeah, true thing. So, we got the place and them bring the food come on the table and we there and them lift off the top. When we look, the raw beef, man, them can come give me feed. I say, no! I say, I'm vexed. So we get up in the restaurant, I say, oh, Emperor Selassie is the Almighty! It's what are you doing? Move with this! Raw beef? How can I think that? That sound like some crazy thing. When I say that, to say this. That I come from a vegan lifestyle where you don't have fish, which may not a vegan lifestyle, but now you say you want to try the raw thing and it's a good thing for you. So I would have started out with some raki and spinach. Just beat it up in a little mortar and start out with that. See? Alright. Wow, a simple thing that motor. Yeah man, now you try it and tell me. It's gonna be a ratty thing.
Not your one, man. When I tell us to the boss, when you stand up in front of the business of the old cat, man. You have to go on the side, man. I'll go across the street. I'm gonna call the police.
So come on, if I have a problem with the security, and since you come and just be harassment, it's a boy like you, I just straight judgment, lightning and thunderbolt. If you rise up against I, you're bound to fall.
The rock is my shield and my hiding place. Your little thunderball can't affect me. Me washed on the blood of the lamb. Anyway, man, me no want to argue with you. Just move a cat across the road, man. I'll go around the corner.
Well, I said, okay, everything good.
Yes, I.
I went security at work. You look at that boy.
Yes, I.
Hey, yo, okay. See if the boy I go and belittle my thing. One them day, I go hold him and drape him. You see, call this thing, okay. The boy watch the whole of my show them, you know. And like, say, I know some my thing up there. But true, me not pull up no big vehicle and them thing there. I be a pressure me for open the gate.
I just straight judgment team, Carrat. I just straight judgment.
Trust me, okay, man. I'll drape him up. I go there today. Come in a mood for you, belitlement.
Here, you know. So you want to come drape me because I do my work? Because you think say me I belittle you? I never met the rules them. I just enforce them. You think me I going to lose my work over you? Me have my woman and my 5 pitney. You think you can't feed me? Me up on the battlefield for the lad. So anyone not ready for do me nothing, no can come. Anyway, Ratty left your name on the book like he's supposed to do. So you can come in. Not no open the gate.
Yeah, finally some respect around here. How we go see what go on in there? know, Cassie, you know, say enough man that look by you say, oh, man, I try chat to that girl, you know, she look too cross. But me see right to it. You know, it's a defense mechanism there I use. If you keep off a little entertainer boy, them I feel say every woman belong to them.
Carrat, me know what you talk about. Tired. My friend them go out last night. And by the time he reach home, all me could have eat, bathe, and come straight to work.
So yeah, sir, you're the raving queen.
Carrat, what kind of raving queen? You know how long me not go out? And my friend cousin come down from California, and she have to beg me to go out with them. Or raving queen.
So the Japanese them there, me hear say them have a bag for me, you know. How is two of them, you know?
Carrat, not easy, you know. Hear them there, but them going out to lunch. Them supposed to come back later.
So yeah, say, you don't have the foreign entertainer book out today. Who probably want to do a feature with Carrat.
No, other than the Japanese, we don't have no other foreign acts booked. As of now, Dean Fraser rehearsing in one of the room them. And upstairs, Mr. Easy up there, and ladies are up there with Ratty.
Well, sorry, it mix. How kind of music she work on?
I don't know. That is not my business.
Sin. Yo, I don't want to vlog my session with a little bit of battery I have left, you know. But I know some of my fans that love them artists in action. So I go and vlog two of them sessions. What you say?
Carrat, the boss already like people that video him client them still, you know. But I'm not going to bother you. Just try and be as discreet as possible, alright?
No watch nothing, my girl. Carrat know the leak.
Alright. Hey, you say you have to the girl them eyes and them ears. Give me a little something for my ears before you left now.
Well, you say eyes them satisfied. Now you want something for your ears.
Yeah.
And nothing. Well, here what? I know you love the carrot juice still, you know, because I know it's sweet, yo. But you see right now, I have saved them note there for the PN session. So right now, I'm going to give you some raw carrot, see?
Yeah.
Alright, you know what? Brand new, straight carrot. Yo, Carrat are the man for the girl, them ears and them eyes. And no surprise. They love my pretty face and them crazy about my style. I made them call pretty boy fly. Wine for me girl and let me see you bubble in time. Let me see you rock your way. Peace. Yeah. The one they excited, don't it?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. The one that for years only. For now. Hey, that's all right there, David, see?
Okay. Just remember to hold it down with the video business, alright?
Yeah, man, I got you. Know yourself.
Thank you.
Carrat are the man for the girl, them ears and eyes. Yes, my people. We're the inside of the great hit mix. That's two there, record a whole heap of big Grammy tune from some foreign artists. Enough people don't know, so yes, so them come record them tune there. So I understand how make them run the security so tight. But what? I mean him Carrat, and a boy no bigger than me. That's how me feel. Anyway, this is one of them rehearsal room, and I think I know so the great Dean Fraser work out. So I could take a prep and see what I go on. Wanna see the big man in action? Wish we could have gone some more still, but you don't know the battery situation I got already. So make it go upstairs, see if you can get some studio footage before everything collapse. He's soon up there.
I'm downstairs, let them know you set this. So we can rehearse to them today. So when have man come back tomorrow. So when they ain't none up here, so maybe downstairs in the rehearsal room, see?
Yeah, man.
Yo, what you say, father? Yo, which room at your work out at?
You're right there, sir. Right door. Sir, is everything good?
Yeah, man, everything, Chris.
Good for you, that still.
Yes, my people. I want to show you a little more things still about like my battery there on E, down to 1 bar and now the taller blink. So I'm not going to be able to go on Mr. Easy session right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just go in for a Ratty session and go and sit in and wait till my turn and wait till I'm done with sir. So I'm also I can give up on that one. See, because like I said, the battery outfit dead. So I'm soon a little bit, see? Yeah. Mama, sir. I wonder if it's a dancehall tune she do, man, or gospel. Right now, come like she wait for a Ratty for do what I'm do. I wait till she start do her thing, so I can crack the door and hear what she deal with. Cause if I go in there right now, I can't talk to her, cause Ratty and the man they get vicious, any kind of disturbance. Alright, you look like them start. Come and take a quick listen real quick.
This is Lady Shaw alongside Nicky Lee. If you're a friend, then man, you gotta be with me.
Yo, it sound like Mama saw back in I thing. That don't sound like no gospel tune to me. I wanna say. Yo, me I go in you know. Catch some light before my battery done. So I don't know. Me catching up on the next flag, see? So just go and enjoy it until the battery done. You don't know. Out.